Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include hands-free Bluetooth integration, leather seats, pedestrian alert system, power panorama sunroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.